Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will be addressing students of the prestigious Narsi Monji Institute today. He'll be visiting the institute before participating in a Padyatra from Bandra to Dharwi. This is the second day of his Mumbai visit. Yesterday, he interacted with Congress party workers in Maharashtra, urging them to keep a unified front ahead of the Mumbai civic polls.
सबको मिलकर एक साथ लेकर अपने दोस्तों को जो आपसे थोड़ा विरोध करते हैं उनको सबको लेकर एक साथ चलना चाहिए। अगर आप तेज चलना चाहते हो राजनीति में, जिंदगी में, तो आप अकेले चलो। अगर आप लंबा चलना चाहते हो तो आप सबको लेकर चलो।
Vidya is now joining us with more details on Rahul Gandhi's Mumbai visit. She's joining us live from Juhu. Vidya, what sense are you getting from the management students at Narsi Monji about what they would like to hear from Rahul Gandhi and what they'd like to ask him?
Well, there are a lot of questions that they have in their mind, but you know, out of the 500 odd students from this entire institute, there are about a handful of them who have been handpicked for asking these questions. They will be the ones, along with the others as well, who will be sitting in the atrium, but they will be the ones who will be mainly asking the questions to Rahul Gandhi in the 1 hour long session that is about to start at 9:30. The kind of questions that they're really going to ask will certainly be pertaining to slightly more personal questions, to his political career, to a lot of other questions as to what he sees in India in the near future. So all sorts of questions that are going to be put up for Mr. Rahul Gandhi to really talk about.
All right. Also, Vidya, you know, this Mumbai visit by Rahul Gandhi is an attempt to boost the party's fortunes ahead of the Mumbai civic polls. Now, at the present moment, what does the race look like in Mumbai?
Well, in the last couple of days itself, we had seen a lot of infighting within the Congress political scene. If you remember, on Tuesday, there had been fist fights between certain members of Aslam Sheikh as well as Naseem Khan's followers. The infighting hasn't really ended, and it probably will not end soon enough. One of the reasons why we had seen Rahul Gandhi speak a lot about stopping this infighting, dealing with the entire leadership in a certain way, you know, and at the end of his entire speech yesterday, he also went on to say that he knows how to discipline people at the end of it if they do not really, you know, come to an amalgamating situation. So certainly, you know, Rahul Gandhi has yesterday really shown the front that he will be, you know, dealing it in a high-handedness if these things do not end. And right. 2017 elections in BMC is certainly of prime importance to Congress, and that's one of the reasons why Rahul Gandhi was really here in Mumbai to boost the entire Congress rank and files, to put them into, you know, the action to see to it that 2017 is something that really they did not want to miss. After this, Rahul Gandhi will certainly be going to Bandra as well. From there, he'll be doing a Padyatra from Bandra to Dharavi, where he'll be talking about the electricity rate hikes in Mumbai, which have been certainly putting on a whole lot of burden to people in Mumbai.
Okay, apart from raising issues, of course, Rahul Gandhi also cracking the whip on the Congress leaders within the Mumbai unit. Many thanks, Vidya, for joining us with those details.